Greetings and welcome to the introduction to astronomy. In this short video, I am going to talk about the updates coming to the channel for January of 2025. So what I plan on doing, first of all, discussing the channel as it is. It was designed to contain lecture slides and videos that tie into the OpenStax astronomy textbook. Now that I am continuing, and we have those slides and videos there. Some of these may be updated over the course of the year, but no specific schedule. I haven't had a need to update anything this past year. I may go through a few of them and try to do a few updates over this coming year. However, the channel will continue to be updated. On Monday, we will continue with the astronomy picture of the day, and I will do a short discussion of that every Monday. Now I do that daily on another channel, but this one I'm doing just the Monday one, which is what I've traditionally tied into my classes. So this will continue, and my intention is that it will continue for the entire year unless something else comes up. On Wednesday, I've been doing a series on the celestial sphere, which has just ended. And that is ending now. And I am going to go back to the exploration of the solar system series. I had started talking about various craft that have explored our solar system, and I am going to continue doing that. I'd left off in the 1970s. I'm going to pick up with the 70s and work through this for at least the next 3 to 6 months, depending on how things go. So that will be for the first part of the year. At least we will be looking at the exploration of the solar system. And on Fridays, I am going to pause again the Misconceptions in Astronomy series, at least for about 3 months. I'm going to bring back the special topics series that I have looked at, and I will use that for at least the next 3 months, again, seeing how things go, as I have a few ideas as to how I want to take that. So that's just a quick summary, just letting you know what's coming up and probably where we're heading for the next 3 months on this channel. So until next time, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.